guys and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for all the love that you've showered in the previous videos. You guys boost me to make more and more videos, and I hope I have been consistent throughout. At least one video in a week I'm trying to give to you guys. So yeah, you want more. If you want really more content, then please drop down in the comment. If you still feel that I'm not consistent and you want more and more of it, give me ideas also, so that मेरा भी दिमाग थोड़ा इधर उधर जाए and I can decide on the content of what all you want. Coming to today's video, you guys, I am going to teach you a smoky eye look in only 3 steps, so it's going to be super useful for all of you. So let's quickly get started. So in smoky eye now, you have to just keep in mind little bit, थोड़ा सा हमको जो हमारा eyelid है उसके ऊपर क्रॉस नहीं करना होता, because in smoky eye we use dark intense colors. So अगर हम lid को क्रॉस कर देंगे तो वो बहुत खराब लगेगा. So please make sure that this is your crease line and this area is your lid. So do not cross the lid. So the first step is to basically take a blending brush, a fluffy brush. So this is not a full fluffy brush. Let me take a complete fluffy brush like this, and let's take this one, and I'm using this palette from Imagic, and this is the 35 color eyeshadow palette from Imagic, and I am going to start by taking a very softer transition shade. So this is step 1, taking a blending brush with a softer transition shade. Let's take this one and let's put it on the crease line, not all over the lid, only crease line. The crease line like this, and meanwhile also, you guys, we have made a huge 19,000 YouTube family. So thank you so much. We have crossed 19,000 followers and we are soon going to reach 20,000. Oh my god, I'm very excited for that. Never thought YouTube would be so much fun and interesting. So yeah, and we've almost done the transition color here on the crease line. So I start from the outside and I blend it towards inside. Do not do it vice versa. अंदर से लेके बाहर नहीं जाना, बाहर से लेके अंदर आना है. Okay? So now we are done with the first step. Let's move ahead towards the second step, which is taking any gel eyeliner or your kajal pencil. So basically I've taken this kajal pencil which is from ProArte. It's the black color. Now what I'm going to do it, I'll deposit, जैसे हम eyeliner लगाते हैं ना, एक तरीके से हमको थोड़ा सा thick eyeliner लगाना है. Do not reach till the crease, slightly downwards from the crease. Okay? So for example, आपकी crease यहाँ तक है, so you're not supposed to reach till here. You have to reach till here. So I'll just deposit the whole black color all over this area. Because this is a very dark color, just like this. So I've not reached till crease, as you can see. And do not wait for a lot of time after this step, because the kajal will get dry. If you want to use your gel eyeliners जो हमारे छोटे से pots में आते हैं, you can use that also. So I'll quickly take a crease brush now. So this kind of a pencil or a crease brush, and I'm going to blend this off quickly so that it doesn't dries off, and I quickly blend it out. Now do you see this harshness here? We need to blend this out. It will take थोड़ा सा time, it will take. So I'm doing it like on and off motion, how we blend the eyeshadow, just like that. And let's do it this side also. Now I'm going to clean my brush a little bit so that जो इसमें extra product है वो निकल जाए. And I'm going to sort of repeat the steps, but now I'm only going to blend this harsh line here, as you can see. And And if you find difficult, like if you're a beginner and you find it difficult to blend using the brush, you can use your fingers also, but you need to blend only on the lines. Do not dab your finger here on the lid, only on this harsh line that is formed. Fingers are quite good to work for this step. So I've quite properly blended this side. And at some point, if you feel that your finger has got a lot of product, so thoda sa we can clean it off and then restart the same step. So the same step can be done using a crease brush also, but because this is a cream based product, आपकी fingers इसको बहुत अच्छे से warmth देती हैं and you'll easily be able to blend it. So I've properly blended it and you can see that almost all the harsh line that was coming, the entire harshness over this area, it has been removed. I've properly blended and smudged it off. Now next I'm taking, which is the third step, we are moving towards the third step, which is depositing again powder eyeshadow. So what I will do is I will take this type of eyeshadow brush and deposit a black or a brown color if I want to do a brown or a black smoky eye. Suppose if you want to do a blue smoky eye, then on this step, if I have used a black kajal, you can use a blue kajal or a green kajal, whatever smoky eye look you want. So for now, I'm going to take this brown eyeshadow from the palette, dust this off properly and deposit it over the eyelid. So again, I'm not reaching the crease line. I'm trying to stay little below the crease line. Just like this. So let's do it this side also. So this is a dark brown color that we have taken. I'm going to take this fluffy brush again, take a softer brown color. So let's take this transition color only, जो हमने starting में लिया था, first color. So I'm taking this soft color, dust this off and again blend it on this line. अब ये हम यहाँ पे इस step पे we can't use fingers, क्योंकि finger कभी भी powder product को blend नहीं करेगा, cream product को blend कर सकता है. इससे पहले हमने क्रीम प्रोडक्ट यूज किया था, उसको हमने फिंगर्स से ब्लेंड किया था. अब हम लोग पाउडर प्रोडक्ट को ब्रश से ब्लेंड करेंगे. सो आई विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द आउटर साइड एंड ब्लेंड. This color also, so that मैं थोड़ा सा एक different color of brown add कर दूँ अपने eye पे. And I'll put it only on the outside. सिर्फ बाहर वाले area पे, crease वाले side पे I'll put it. Now can you see the difference in both the eyes? This side I've not done any eyeshadow part. This side I've done almost the entire smoky eye part. So taking the color for this eye now. So I've properly blended both the sides and I've also deposited little bit of loose powder under the eye because I'm going to start with the under eye makeup and under eye पे अगर कुछ भी fall होगा तो बेस बेसिकली स्पॉइल नहीं होगा. सो आई जस्ट कम लिटिल बिट क्लोजर एंड यू कैन सी दैट पूरा ब्लेंडेड है, कोई हार्श लाइन नहीं दिखाई दे रही है. दैट्स हाउ. जैसे अगर आपको थोड़ा भी लगे ना कि हार्श लाइन दिख रही है तो यू कैन सिंपली टेक अ ब्लेंडिंग ब्रश एंड थोड़ा सा रीटच दे देते हैं इसको. हल्की फुल्की ब्लेंडिंग मुझे यहाँ से लग रही है इनकम्प्लीट है. So let's move to the under eye. I'm going to take the same kajal and put it under here on my waterline like this. So that's how I look after doing the kajal. Literally I don't do kajal so much, so I'm feeling a lot of difference. Let's do here also. But you know, in smoky eye, if you don't do the kajal part, it feels quite incomplete. So that's the reason that I'm also doing the kajal. So we have done the kajal, but we can't leave it like this. We need to also smudge it. So for smudging, I'm going to use this brush by the Musk India. This is one of my favorite brushes from them. It's the number 06 because it's quite tiny and you don't get this kind of brush everywhere. And now I've taken this color, this soft brown color in my brush, and I'm going to smudge this under eye kajal using this brush. So let's do it bit by bit. So what I'll do is I'll quickly start from the outer corner and come inside. So always start with the outer side and then come towards the inside. And then I have to make this end and the upper end meet. Do not leave it incomplete. So you see, थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे gap आ रहा है. So I'll smudge this part and I'll make it meet from the top side. That's it, just like that. So there is a lot of difference in both the sides. So let's repeat the same step on this side. This is completely blended and I'm feeling that इस side थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा inner corners पे आ गए, so let's just balance that out first. So next I'm going to, you know, it's quite rough and patchy अगर मैं यहाँ पे closely देखूँ. So what I'll do is I'll take a very soft brown color, so this transition color जो एकदम soft था, dust it off. Now we'll blend all the rough patchiness that we can see here. हम एकदम जो लोअर साइड है वहाँ पे ब्रश को ऑन एंड ऑफ करवाते हैं. अगेन आउटसाइड से एंड्स मिलवाते हैं. Then we'll come inside like that. This side also. So basically in smoky eye जितना हमने ऊपर काम किया है उतना ही हमें अंडर आई पे भी काम करना है. Now I'm going to take a loose powder brush, a fluffy brush, and remove this extra powder. And so I have removed the powder and I've also done my eyelashes off camera. If you want to learn how to do the eyelashes, I have already shot a video, you can go see that, of how to do lashes for beginners. And now I'm going to end this look using a mascara. So I'm using this mascara from Kiko Milano and I am going to put it on my lashes. Also hit the bell icon so that you get notified for all next videos. And also guys, don't forget to share this video and all my other videos more and more, because we have already reached reached 19,000 YouTube subscribers. I want to make it 20,000 super soon. And thank you for all the love. Coming up with lots and lots of more videos for you guys. Bye. Take care, you guys.